Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're ready to join a meeting now. First, open the Zoom app and grant camera and microphone permission so audio and video work. Next, sign in with email, Google, or SSO. If you don't have an account, create one quickly. Once done, you can tap Join to enter a meeting ID and passcode, or tap New Meeting to start instantly. Make sure video toggle is set on if you want your camera live. Keep Wi-Fi on for stability. Once you're in, learn the controls so you can participate smoothly. Tap the bottom toolbar to mute yourself, start or stop video, open participants and chat, or share your screen. These controls let you manage presence and content. To change camera or add a virtual background, open More or tap your video tile. Pin or spotlight a speaker from the participant list to focus. Also switch between gallery and speaker view, depending on whether you want many thumbnails or a single speaker. To finish, tap Leave or End Meeting in the top right. Choose Leave Meeting for just you or End Meeting if you host and want to close the session for all. If audio sounds bad, switch to speaker, plug in headphones, or run audio settings to test mic and speaker. If video won't show, toggle the camera, confirm app permissions, or force close and reopen Zoom. If problems persist, reinstall the app. Remember to reconnect to Wi-Fi to avoid recurring.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.